The project will benefit thousands of residents in Rwempogo 1, Rwempogo 2 village, Rwempogo Trading Center, Kageti and surrounding areas. Speaking to Miadi, Engineer Samuel Magezi, the UMEME's project investment manager, confirmed that they are to install 3 transformers in the communities around and also extend the low voltage network so that customers will be able to tap from those lines. The end point of the connection will be at Lake Kakyera, the source where National Water is going to pump water, targeting to supply communities around villages of Rwempogo 1, Rwempogo 2, Birunduma, Rwempogo Trading Center, Kageti Trading Center, and factories around the area, all in Nyakahita-Lake sub-county in Nyabushozi, Kiruhura district.
We have come here to implement what we call a capital expenditure project. The scope, it entails 11 kilometers. We are going to construct medium voltage line of 11 kilometers. The end point will be at the source where National Water is going to connect to their machines so that they are able to pump water to the communities around and to Kageti Trading Center plus Amos Dairies. We are going to install 3 transformers in the communities around and also extend the low voltage network so that the customers could be able to tap from those lines.
The Nyakahita-Lake Kakyera belt is a water source area. As such, the National Water and Sewerage Corporation decided to increase water supply in the area by pumping water from Lake Kakyera. To power up these pumps, the Rural Electrification Agency decided to build a power line to Lake Kakyera. Unfortunately, this power line was vandalized during construction and Rural Electrification Agency was unable to complete the job. Also, a RIA contractor along the way left the site and RIA was later disbanded. According to Engineer Magezi, this project was meant to have been completed in 2021, being done by Rural Electrification Agency.
They vandalized about 8 kilometers of conductors, and that's what we are replacing, plus completing the other works which they did complete. Actually, it was done by a RIA contractor, but along the way, the contractor left site without any reason. So for us, we came in just as a stopgap to come and complete the project.
During the sensitization meeting of local leaders and residents, Mbaine Byron, the UMEME operations manager Mbara, decried the rampant cases of vandalism and appealed to the communities in Kiruhura district to join the fight against vandalism and safeguard government assets.
We've come here today to do community sensitization. This project was meant to have been completed around 2021. It was being done then by Rural Electrification Agency. Around that time, the line was vandalized before they could complete, and it was not completed.
Byron expressed concern that vandalism is not only affecting the electricity sector, citing vandalism of railway sleepers, water pipes, road signages, among others, and called for a combined effort to end vandalism in the country. He said vandalism has become a habit that has been growing in the last years.
It's not only the electricity sector that has been affected by vandalism. Right? You may say that yes, during the 90s, there was less vandalism, but there was also less vandalism in the 90s of railway sleepers. There was less vandalism of water pipes in the 90s. There was less vandalism of road signages in the 90s. And we realized that along the way, since then, all these things are being vandalized. Until you arrest and have it sorted out, and we have the people arrested, it's when, and they reveal the links and the market, that's when you can clearly tell what is happening.
Some of the residents we interviewed hailed the government and UMEME for coming up to repair the line, which was vandalized, but called for tough measures to eliminate vandalism. These vowed to use their systems to protect the power line.
This time, so taking that responsibility, you could this time.